Welcome to CSJ Technology. We bring revolutionary solutions to the packaging and printing industry with disruptive innovation. Now, let me introduce you to this intelligent machine that combines high efficiency, extreme precision, and environmental protection concepts. It can complete 3,000 to 6,000 printing tasks per hour using environmentally friendly UV inks. It not only achieves decreasing printing but also practices the commitment to green production, opening a new era in the packaging and printing industry. The maximum paper fitting width of this machine reaches 550 mm, which is suitable for various specifications of packaging material. The innovative pagination device accurately separates the material to be printed, then goodbye to the trouble of paper jams. The automatic deviation correction system calibrates in real time to ensure that each product achieves millimeter-level alignment before entering the printing area, making the printing pattern fit precisely and eliminating any deviation. The device has no minimum order quantity and does not require plate-making. With a printing speed of 3,000 to 6,000 pieces per hour and equipped with high design print heads, the presented patterns are clear in details and gorgeous in color. The intelligent printing module can be flexibly adjusted up, down, left, and right to adapt to different sizes and shapes of package, accommodating diverse product requirements. In terms of operation, we adopt a minimalist design equipped with an intuitive touchscreen interface and a preparation process. Even a novice who comes into contact with it for the first time can quickly get started. Industrial-grade components are used in the design, and the operation stability is extremely high. It can run continuously for 24 hours, fully guaranteeing production continuity. In terms of cost and revenue, it does not require plate-making, greatly reduce the upfront investment cost. The single-sheet printing cost is as low as 1 cent, and the cost performance advantage is particularly prominent in small batch customization business. We want more intelligent printing and more efficient production. Choose it.